Turn to one side, lie down. Relax your back completely first. Okay? Bring your feet together, the toes are pointing up. Now lift your right leg up. Take it to the outside straight. Kneecap should be facing the ceiling. Bring it back to center. 2, do not place it on the floor. Again, take it to the right side. Bring to center. Again, for the next practice, we will use our bolster or foam roller. And this time, we are going to place it below the knees. Both the legs are on the bolster, folded, and you lie down on the back. See, at all times, keep the back and the buttocks very relaxed. Okay? Back of the knees are on the bolster. Hands are by the side of the body. Now we just lift our right leg up. Lift it up straight. Keep it on the bolster. Do not lift it off the bolster. The bolster should be a support for the leg. And flex your right foot completely towards the body. Flex the right ankle towards the body. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax the foot and bring the leg down. Again, second round. First, raise the leg up. Keeping it all the time resting on the bolster. Then flex the ankle. Flex and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax the ankle. Bring the leg down. So lying on the abdomen, you place your right palm on top of the left. The chin is on top of the right palm. Lift the head up. Keep your feet in standing position. Lift your head up a little more. Forearms are on the floor. Now contract your knees and lift them off the floor. Contract the knees fully. Contract the buttocks nicely, as much as you can. If you're contracting well, you can feel the practice at the lower abdomen. You can feel the practice even at the lower back. Slowly relax the buttocks, relax the knees, head to one side.